the good folks at Topps sent me some more stuff to review. And the first box is a box of Topps Signature Basketball. Or as I like to call it, the let's get rid of all these autograph stickers while we still have a licensed product. 8 packs in a box. 4 cards in a pack. You get 2 base cards, a parallel, which has a fake autograph, and of course, an autograph in each pack, which is kind of a... Alright, here we go. 4 cards. Pack number 1. Speedy Claxton. Our parallel is of Al Thornton, and it's numbered to 869. A Nick Young, and all the base cards are numbered to 2325. And our sticker autograph is Sean Singletary, which is numbered to 1999. Should be able to pick up a box of this if I can get this pack open. God damn it. Come on. For about a little over 110 bucks. Anyway, Shaq base, a Ricky Pierce red parallel, numbered to 869. Daniel Gibson base, and our autograph is of Nick Young, and it's numbered to 6,225. Wow. 6225. Jesus Christ. Next pack we have Michael Petrus. A red of JoJo White. Raymond Felton. And our autograph is of Gerald Wallace, and it's numbered to 1499. Aaron Brooks, a Brandon Wright, Bill Russell, and our autograph, this is a good one, Jerry West. It's numbered to 649. I think this is your promised one A group autograph in a box, and Jerry West is part of that A group. So this is our big mojo hit. Jerry West. Okay. Last 4 packs. I'll just buzz right through these. Rod Williams. A Magic Johnson, numbered 289. E. John Lyon. And Caron Butler, numbered to 1309. Alright, I had a bit of a technical glitch there. I'm going to open these last 3 packs of Signature. Topps Signature Basketball. So far I've already gotten my A-level autograph. It's Jerry West. Let's see what else we get here. Joey Dorsey. Dante Green. A red of Bill Walker. And an autograph of Michael Petrus. That's serial number to 1399. Buck Williams. George Hill. A parallel of Derrick Rose. These white parallels are, I think, 1 in every 4 packs. And are numbered to 289. And our autograph is of Elgin Baylor, numbered to 1299. Finally, our last pack. JaVale McGee. Rajon Rondo. Raymond Felton, numbered to 869. And another Rajon Rondo autograph, numbered to 1299. It's actually funny that I pulled two Rajon Rondos, his base and his autograph, in the same pack, because as you can see, the autographs are essentially a parallel of the base set. Here's what the backs look like. See? Same thing. The only difference being the legal disclaimer on the back and the serial number. Another thing, too, is that you'll notice that they did not sequentially number any of the base cards. So good luck trying to build a base set of this if you're into that kind of thing. I think there's 85 different cards in this set. So anyway, here's what I got. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 30, 40, 15, 16 base cards, each numbered to 2325. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red parallels, each numbered to 869. 2 white parallels, numbered to 289, and they're two pretty good ones. Magic Johnson and Derrick Rose. And our autographs were Rajon Rondo, numbered to 1299. Michael Petrus, numbered to 1399. Caron Butler, numbered to 1309. Gerald Wallace, numbered to 1499. Sean Singletary, numbered to 1999. Nick Young, numbered to 6225. 62. What is this, like 1994 Donruss or something? Anyway. And Elgin Baylor, numbered to 1299. And our designated Group A autograph is of Jerry West, numbered to 649. So there you have it. You should be able to get a box of this for roughly $100 to $120. You get autographs, that's true. Unfortunately, you may wind up with an autograph that's numbered to that much. Alright, that's it. Out.